Firmoo?
Firmoo.
Firmoo.
Hi guys, welcome to InspiredKidsTv and I'm Inspiredprincess. And today we're going to be unboxing some glasses and it's from Firmoo. So we're going to be already unboxing these and these are from Firmoo.
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 So are you guys ready? Because I'm so excited and ready. So let's start unboxing this.
Ooh. Okay, let me see. Can I see? Okay, so it comes in this beautiful little case and it says Firmoo, and I like how it has the little the two O's are glasses, which is really cool. Okay, so it has the website, which says firmoo.com, and it says styles update every day, no more than $39.
So let's start.
Okay, and it's in this very cute little case.
Ooh.
Oh, it has another case. Look at that.
There's something else in here.
Oh, what is that? Let's see. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and, okay, let's look at this case so everyone can see.
It's so pretty.
Okay, so it comes with little cards.
It said Firmoo.
You get.
It says Firmoo on it.
Yeah, all gets.
You get four
little discount cards come in it.
And just to tell you, the case always gets dirty because it's white.
Oh, yeah, it's a light color. Oh, wait, there's more stuff in here. Hold on.
Oh.
What's in here?
Oh,
it has a little.
case.
This is a keychain, and what it is it's actually a little screwdriver, so that you can adjust your frames. Let's see how was that easy to open?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, and we picked these out. We specially picked these out, which was awesome on the website.
We love you, Firmoo.
Firmoo. We love you.
These are all beautiful and pretty.
Yes. Okay, so here is the cute little glasses. Okay, so we're going to open them very delicately. And it has a little lens cleaner right here, which is like a chamois. And it's wrapped in there to keep them protected. Oh, as you can see, look at this little line. Hold on. Let me show the viewers. These are, what are those? Are they oranges?
The oranges and lemon.
Oh, how cute. And it's pink. And then here you have this. Okay, whatever we do, we won't touch the lens. Okay, go ahead and put them on. Oh, so cute. Okay, so let me see. They're gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I love them.
And we can keep this case and we can keep this just to wash these if they're not clean.
Oh, they're beautiful. So I think that, okay, so these were very affordable glasses, and you were able to design your own on the website, which was so cool. And they also have a deal where you buy one, get one free. Yeah. So they're just very affordable. And you can even get the lens right here. You can get the lens for whatever kind of prescription you need. And for Inspired Princess, she doesn't need glasses. So these have 0 prescription in them. They're just clear and they're just for fashion and fun.
So you can probably wear them for school.
Yeah, you can just play and wear them. You don't have to. You don't have to get them if you really need glasses.
And here's the keychain.
And there's the keychain, and that's to adjust the little screws. Oh, there's screws in there too. Okay, and you can also get the glasses, which was really neat. You can get the glasses. It comes with extra screws.
Can any of you guys see too?
Yeah, you can see that it's not blurry, so they're not prescription. So yes, you can also get these glasses. You can order them to where they are sunglasses for the sun, which is really cool. Okay, so let's put them back on and see how they look. So what do you think, Inspired Princess? What do you give Firmoo? Do you love them? Yay!
Even more than that.
Yes, so leave in the comments below and let us know what you think about them.
We love you, Firmoo.
Okay, leave in the comments comments. Let us know what you think about these wonderful glasses. And if you're interested, look into the information below about the video, and we'll have a link to the website and also a special offer.
You guys can get whatever type of glasses you want. And this to remind you, this was for this is Firmoo actually gave us this. So
yes,
remember that dot.
Yes. Firmoo. Yes, and also for a little disclaimer, this is a review for Firmoo, and we did receive these glasses free. We just paid shipping and handling, and it was in exchange for a review. So thank you, Firmoo. We appreciate it, and we love your glasses, and we will definitely recommend and buy more. Okay, bye!
Tu le vera con la papaya.